In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to leave a conversation in Slack. Let's say you've got a Slack channel that's not relevant to your current projects, or perhaps your role has shifted and you no longer need to be part of a specific conversation. Knowing how to calmly and properly exit a Slack conversation will tidy up your workspaces and focus your attention on what really matters. So, let's dive right into it. First, you'll need to open Slack. You can do this by launching the app on your desktop or by visiting Slack's website on your browser. Now, once you've got Slack open, the next step is to log in. You can sign in with your email, or if you've got a Google or Apple account tied to Slack, feel free to use those. They streamline the process, especially if you're already logged in to one of those services. After successfully logging in, you will see a list of workspaces on your screen. If you are part of multiple workspaces, take a moment to identify and select the one you wish to focus on. Workspaces in Slack typically contain different channels or conversations that organize your communications. Make sure you choose the correct workspace so you can navigate to the specific channel or conversation you wish to leave. Next, you'll have the option to use Slack in two different modes: the desktop app or the browser version. Both versions largely function the same, so go with whatever suits your preference or is easiest for you to access at the moment. Once you are in the desired workspace, calmly scan through the list of channels displayed on the left side of your screen. Click on the particular channel or conversation that you no longer need to be part of. Entering this channel will bring up the message history, threading, and additional tools related to that specific conversation. Now keep your eyes peeled for an ellipsis, often represented by three small dots, located in the top right corner of your screen near where the huddle option typically appears. This icon is crucial because it contains additional settings for managing your interaction with the channel. When you click on the ellipsis, a drop-down menu will appear, providing several actions you can take regarding the channel. One of these options is Leave Channel. This is the magic button that will neatly remove you from the conversation. Go ahead and click on Leave Channel. A confirmation may pop up to ensure you truly want to leave. Clicking Yes or Confirm will finalize your exit from the conversation. And that's it. You've successfully left the Slack conversation. This will help keep your communication streamlined and your attention focused on conversations that truly matter to your work. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to manage your workspace actively for a clutter-free Slack experience.